Home remedies for glowing skin. Every woman wants picture perfect, flawless skin. Clear and beautiful skin is one of the main elements of a person's beauty. Healthy skin helps you feel beautiful as well. Some of the leading factors that take a toll on the quality and texture of your skin are stretch. So we should control this matter. In this video, we're talking about best 5 home remedies to get right of glowing skin. So please click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more videos. Number 1. Lemon. Lemon is one of the best ingredients that you can use to promote your clear skin. The citric acid present in lemon helps keep the skin clear by removing dead cells, and its vitamin C content helps reduce dark spots by increasing the cell renewal process. Lemon also has bleaching properties that will help improve your overall skin complexion. Number 2. Cucumber. Cucumber is cooling for the body and restoring the skin. Lemon restores the balance in your digestion system, thus eliminating one of the most common reasons for developing spots. Mint leaves aid in regulating indigestion and clearing any internal infections. Number 3. Honey. To enjoy clear skin, you need to keep your skin well moisturized. Honey is the great moisturized and also has antibacterial properties that help ward off infection. Apply raw honey directly on your skin. Let it dry naturally and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. The water content in honey will deeply moisturize the skin, making it soft and supple. Number 4. Almond. Whether you are using pure almond oil or almond paste, both are excellent source of vitamin E, providing moisturizing for your skin externally. For dehydrated and dry skin, and scrub it gently onto the skin. Wash the face with milk and then water. Number 5. Parfait. I'm amazed at the goodness of this humble fruit and have used it time and time again on my skin in various treatments, and they have all given positive results. Take mashed pepper and masses it into the skin for 5 times. Wash the skins with milk and then water and see how clarified and soft your skin feels in a minute.